Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. We got a big glare coming in through that window today. Okay. Sorry, I can't help it. Let's see if... It is what it is. Okay. We are going to make baked potatoes in the air fryer. Yeah. It's going to be super easy. Super easy and super quick. Okay. We got our potatoes. We washed them and I packed them dry nicely. Okay. Now we're going to pierce them. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh yeah. I'm going to pierce them with the fork without piercing my fingers. Turn them over. So these take, I've never done them in the air fryer. This is going to be a first for me. I've made other potatoes in the air fryer, like roasted potatoes, but I've never made baked potato, whole baked potato. So the recipe that I got, this is what we're going to do. So I washed, dried, and pierced the potatoes. Now I'm going to put them in my basket. Okay. Then I'm going to take the canola oil, the cooking spray, and I'm going to spray the potato. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Okay, there. A bit of salt and a little bit of garlic powder. And we're going to flip them. I should have put the... Okay. Anyways, spray. Put a little bit more salt. Okay. And a little bit more garlic powder on this side. But the whole idea of this was you just take them. I put way too much garlic powder and rub them in. That's what you're supposed to do. There. You just rub it all in. Oh, that comes out better. Yeah. Actually, that turns out really good. Okay. Let me give my hands a wash. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the air fryer at 400 for 40 minutes. That's it. So, in they go. We pierce them. "40 minutes, start." And that's it. At halfway mark, we're going to flip them over and they should be ready to go. Baked potatoes look nice. It's at the 20-minute mark. So we're going to flip them. Okay, going in for another 20. See you in 20. Okay, potatoes look amazing. I put them in for 40 minutes plus another extra 7 minutes. Okay, because I didn't feel like they needed a little bit extra time. Okay, so that potato looks amazing. The outside is nice and crisp, and the inside, look at that. Nice and flaky. Okay. Oh, it's going to be a nice dinner tonight. Okay. Potatoes ready. Thank you.